Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to connect an Epson printer to Epson Smart Panel. So let's get started. First, make sure your compatible Epson printer is turned on and ready for setup. Next, install and open the Epson Smart Panel app on your iPhone or Android phone. Make sure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want your printer to use. In Smart Panel, select your Epson printer if it appears automatically. If it doesn't, tap the plus icon and choose Connect to a new product. Now, select your printer from the available products and follow the on-screen instructions. Smart Panel will connect your printer to the network. Wait until the app confirms that the connection is complete. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.